I would like for people that come here to leave with something positive to maybe steer their life the right way. My name is Jerry Rodri. I've been the Correctional Food Service Supervisor at the Plata County Detention Facility since November 6, 1989. My day-to-day job is to oversee the work that the inmate workers do. The inmate workers do all the physical work in both the kitchen area and the laundry. We try to do things in such a fashion as to instill pride in our inmate workers, not just slap some garbage together and throw it on a tray and get it out of here. I try to train these guys to really learn how to cook. About half the restaurants in Durango have my guys cooking for them, and they are human beings. Every last one of them's a human being, and in a situation like this, it's kind of easy to forget that. It's kind of easy to like disavow their humanity, and it's not cool. It's not cool at all. We're not here to judge these people. I'm here to feed these people and make sure they have clean clothes. That's it. They judge them down on 2nd Avenue at the courthouse. That's totally out of our venue here. A lot of people have the misconception that, oh, jail, they're just all scumbag, terrible people, you know, throw them in jail, lock them up, throw the key away. But that's not the reality. The reality is almost all these people are going to be getting back out. Almost all these people are going to be back on the street, and in most cases sooner rather than later. And if you can help them so when they are released from incarceration and they can maybe go to a restaurant, knock on the door and say, hey, you know, I've got some basic skills. I know, you know, time and temperatures. I know, you know, sanitation. Would you give me a job? And a lot of people do. A lot of people in Durango do, thank goodness. Doing all right, Jakes?
Yeah, doing fine.
Thanks, sir.
Oh, you need
I don't know, it seems to me when you take these guys out of circulation, away from their family, away from their finances, their bill set, like I say, for 6 months or so, how are you ever going to recover? Imagine not paying your bills for 6 months and then getting out, you know, and how do you ever catch up? How does that serve society? I mean, I don't know. I don't know, I wish I knew all the magic answers because this doesn't seem to work as well as it could. We have just the same guys keep coming back. And I know a lot of them do it because they're homeless and because this is the best gig they can find. Want them to be seen as members of this community, maybe kind of the black sheep members of this community, but they are members of this community, every one of them.
Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Weirdest job in the world. I gotta lock up my people after every meal.